Okay, see in the last lecture we have seen what is nucleophilic substitution reaction, correct? Now today we will start with actual reaction. Now we know what is nucleophile, the substance which carries a negative charge negative charge with a pair of electrons. See here, already we have done in the last lecture, but still I'll just repeat. What is nucleophile? The substance which carries a negative charge, which has a negative charge, and with a pair of electron on it are called as a nucleophile. यहाँ पे correct. Look, every time, but most of the time, suppose for example we say NaOH. NaOH. In NaOH, there is a bond between Na and OH, but the bond break in the such a way that OH should be O. This one electron of O and one electron of A both will go to O. So here OH, its electron of O and one electron of Na will go towards O and will carry which charge? Negative charge. Why negative? Because O has got its electron plus O has also got electron from Na, and because it has got one electron extra, it has got charge minus, and here we got Na plus. So here OH minus is called as a nucleophile. OH minus is called as a nucleophile. So basically, the species which carries a negative charge and have a pair of electron with them are act as a nucleophile. Okay. Now I'll start with one reaction. In that I'll say, I can say here, this is heading number one. In that, the first one, action of aqueous alkali. Action of aqueous alkali. There are two alkali we have. One is NaOH and second one is KOH. Sodium hydroxide and potassium hydroxide. I'll write general reaction RX, where RX is called as alkyl halide. To that, I am adding either NaOH or we can add KOH. Either NaOH or KOH, and they are called as a alkali. In which medium? Aqueous. Aqueous means what? NaOH dissolved in water, which on heating, see now here X will be removed, and see now here Na has a, now see Na has a charge of plus and OH has a charge of minus. Okay, so from here X will be removed along with its electron and electron from the R. So X will have a pair of electron and X will combine with Na. So X will combine with Na and we get here NaX plus what is remaining, that OH will go in place of this. So here we get ROH, and ROH is called as alcohol. So see here what we have done in this case. Normally we are having RX and the one bond is there. One bond is there. One bond is made up of two electrons. When it combines with Na plus and OH minus, when you say OH minus has got a pair of electron, सो OH अपने 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन लेके इसके साथ बॉन्ड फॉर्म करेगा. तो हियर वी गेट R and we know OH has 2 electrons. So 2 electron वो use करके फॉर्म करेगा OH and X अपना इलेक्ट्रॉन और R का इलेक्ट्रॉन, X के पास 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन है, X के पास 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन है और Na के साथ वो बॉन्ड फॉर्म करेगा. तो यहाँ पे मिलेगा NaX. But we write like this way. Here we write like what? NaX, correct? Alcohol anise. So what is the reaction here? So OH is a nucleophile. OH is a stronger nucleophile, and stronger nucleophile displaces the weaker nucleophile, and therefore it is called as a nucleophilic substitution reaction. See, X is replaced by OH. So we got ROH, and ROH is called as the alcohol, and X will combine with the Na plus, and X will combine with the Na plus to give you what? NX. Okay, I've just shown here, but now let's take proper example. Suppose we take C2H5Br. Now we all know that C2H5Br is called as a ethyl bromide. Ethyl bromide can be called as a bromo ethane. Ethyl bromide can be called as a bromoethane. And when this is allowed to react with alkali, see here, either we can use NaOH or we can use KOH, which is on heating. OH is a nucleophile, will replace the Br. So here what we get? C2H5, C2H5OH plus Br, which has removed, combined with the Na to gives you NaBr. And this is called as ethyl alcohol. This is called as the ethyl alcohol, correct? Suppose I take, for example, we are having methyl bromide. Will combine with NaOH. Then again here on heating, OH will replace Br. So what we get over here, CH3OH plus NaBr. CH3OH plus NaBr. Now here I'm just taking only one example, but you should know that we have got 8 alkyl groups like methyl, ethyl, 2 propyl group. One is N-propyl, second one is isopropyl, and 4 butyl group. उसमें से आप कोई भी एक अल्काइल ग्रुप यहाँ पे यूज कर सकते हो और अल्काइल में क्या ऐड करना है हमें NaOH. OH will replace the Br and we get the alcohol, correct? Now same reaction in that only, I'll write. Same reaction can also be done by using moist silver oxide. Same reaction can also be done by using what? Moist silver oxide. Now moist silver oxide means what? Silver oxide having some water in it. Silver oxide having some water in it are called as the moist silver oxide. And we know that when moist silver oxide react with the water, we get here AgOH. AgOH is called as a silver hydroxide. And I'll just balance the equation. Ag2H2. So here I'll write Ag2. O1, O1, 2, O2, H2, H2. Equation is balanced. Okay. And AgOH is called as silver hydroxide. Now, okay, now I'll write down the reaction. Suppose, for example, I'm having RX. RX is called as the alkyl halide. To that, I am adding moist silver oxide. See, to alkyl halide, I am adding moist silver oxide. correct? Now, when I add moist silver oxide, then we know that silver oxide react with the water present in it. Silver oxide react with water present in it and form AgOH. So here we are allowing it to react with AgOH. And then OH is a nucleophile, will replace the X. So what we get here, ROH, and we know that ROH is called as alcohol plus Ag combined with the X, and we get here AgX. Right, one reaction. Suppose we are having C2H5Br, ethyl bromide combined with AgOH. How we have got the AgOH? We have got the AgOH by using moist silver oxide. So condition remains the same. And again here OH will replace Br, and what we get here, C2H5 OH plus AgBr, and we know that C2H5OH is called as a ethyl alcohol. Okay, so what I've seen here, alkyl halide can be converted into alcohol by using alkali. Which alkali we can use here? Either we can use NaOH or we can use KOH. Correct? Second, same reaction, that alkyl halide can be also converted into alcohol either by using moist silver oxide. What is moist silver oxide? The silver oxide which has water in it, correct? And we get HOH. Now you will say यहाँ पे 2 लिखा हुआ है और यहाँ पे 1 लिखा हुआ है, तो यहाँ पे 2 लिखा हुआ है क्योंकि मुझे ये इक्वेशन बैलेंस करना था, और यहाँ पे 1 लिखा हुआ है क्योंकि यहाँ पे बैलेंस करने के लिए 1 की जरूरत है. तो डोंट बी अंडर द इम्प्रेशन यहाँ पे 2 AgOH लिखा हुआ है, मतलब यहाँ पे भी 2 चाहिए, नहीं. यहाँ पे बैलेंस करने के लिए 2 का जरूरत था और यहाँ पे बैलेंस करने के लिए 1 का जरूरत है, करेक्ट? So we have seen one reaction where we can convert. So what we have seen here, that alkyl halide can be converted into alcohol either by using NaOH or by using KOH or by using moist silver oxide. So these are the 3 conditions. This is just summary of this. We can convert alkyl halide into alcohol by using NaOH, by using KOH, or by using moist silver oxide. Okay, so we are done with the first substitution reaction. Now I'll go for second one. Second, I'll write B. Action of sodium alkoxide. Action of sodium alkoxide. Sodium alkoxide. Now what is that formula I'll write here? Sodium is Na and OR. OR is called as alkoxide. So here we know that Na is called as a sodium and OR is called as a alkoxide. R means alkyl. Alkyl with O is called as alkoxide. Sodium alkoxide. Correct? Now same name I can just write here this way. I can write down the reactions what? Sodium NaOCH3. So here the name will be what? Na means sodium and methyl with O, and methyl with O can be called as a methoxide. See, alkyl with O is called as alkoxide. So methyl with O can be called as methoxide. Okay. Then I'll just take one more. NaO C2H5. Na is called as sodium This is the first, this is second, this is third. Sodium and ethyl with O can be called as a ethoxide. Now this formula, either you can write down as Na or NaOR, or it can be also written as what? RONA. Because for our convenience, we can write NaOR or RONA. ऐसा भी लिख सकते हो. Similarly here, you write down the formula as what? NaOCH3, or it can be written as what? CH3ON. ऐसे भी लिख सकते हैं, correct? So but time being, we are using in this form. ये form में हम लोग use करेंगे NaOR, NaOCH3 and NaOC2H5, correct? Now in this part, Na is a plus, Na is a plus, and OR is a minus. OR is a minus, and because OR is a minus, this OR can be called as a nucleophile. OR is called as a nucleophile, correct? So I'll just write down the reaction. I take first, RX is called as alkyl halide. We allow the alkyl halide to react with NaOR. NaOR is called as sodium alkoxide, and then which is on heating. Now we know that Na is a plus and OR is a minus, and OR is a nucleophile. So this nucleophile will replace X. So what formula will get? R, and then X is replaced by OR. O, but I'm just writing this way. O, I'm just giving some space. See here, X is replaced by OR, correct? X is replaced by OR, but OR I'm writing OR this way. So R, O, R, correct? And what is here? X will combine with Na. So what we get here? NaX. And ROR is the general formula for which type of the organic compound? Ether. ROR is the formula for which type of the organic compound? Ether. ROR. Correct? Now I'll take the example. Suppose for example, I'm using here CH3Br. Now you know that's what is CH3Br? Methyl bromide. We allow them to react with, I will take this one, NaOCH3. So I'll just write down here, or I'll take this one, NaOC2H5. NaOC2H5. Sodium ethoxide. This is plus, Na is plus, and OC2H5 is the minus. So this part will act as a nucleophile. Correct. Na is plus, OC2H5 is minus, is nucleophile, and this nucleophile will replace Br. Okay, so what do you get here? CH3 dash O dash. This is the way of writing the compound. This is the one of the way of writing the compound O, and then what is it having here? C2H5. This is a new type of the organic compound. Maybe you are learning first time, ether. So CH3 O C2H5, correct? Plus this Na will combine with the Br, and Na will combine with the Br, and here what we get here? NaBr we will get here as NaBr, and the name of this compound ether hai. See, left side में alkyl group, right side में alkyl group, and between the O, this type of the organic compound are called as a ether. यहाँ पे देखो O, left side methyl, right side ethyl, correct? तो दो alkyl group के बीच में oxygen atom है, so it can be called as a ether. But how will you write down the name? One group is methyl, M. Other group is ethyl, E. So methyl and ethyl, what will come first? Ethyl. So name will be ethyl, methyl, and this type of the organic compound are called as a ether. Are called as a ether. Okay. I'll take second example. Now here I will start with C2H5Br. मैंने यहाँ पे मिथाइल ब्रोमाइड लिखा था, अभी मैंने यहाँ पे इथाइल ब्रोमाइड लिखा. To that I'm adding the same, that is I'm adding here NaOC2H5, which is on it. And then here this part, which is the nucleophile, will replace the Br. A stronger nucleophile है और a weaker nucleophile है. And when stronger nucleophile displaces the weaker nucleophile, it is called as nucleophilic substitution reaction. So what we get over here? C2H5. Okay. And then Br is removed. In place of Br क्या आ जाएगा? OC2H5. So here we get OC2H5 plus this Br will combine with Na, and Br with Na is called as NaBr. Now we write down the name of this compound. See, left side में alkyl group है, right side में भी alkyl group है, and between them we are having what? O. So ethyl, ethyl. So this group can be called as diethyl ether. It is called as a diethyl ether. So here we are having ethyl group. Here also we are having the ethyl group. So it can be called as a diethyl ether. Okay, diethyl ether. But anyway, this type of the more compound we'll see in the next chapter. But right now I'm just showing the two examples. Okay. Now third. C. Action of silver action of silver carboxylate. Silver carboxylate. Now what is silver carboxylate here? But before that, I'll just एक बार यहाँ पे revise कर दो. See here, sodium alkoxide. What is the formula? NaOR. Na is sodium and R with O is called as alkoxide. Sodium. Methyl with O is methoxide. Sodium. Ethyl with O become methoxide. And to alkyl halide, we are adding the alkoxide. And which type of the organic compound we get? Ether. And what is the formula of the ether? ROR. Then ether, when the two alkyl group are different, the name are written in the alphabetical order of the alkyl group, ethyl, methyl, ether. But here both the alkyl group are the same. Then they can be written as what? Diethyl ether. Okay. Now we are going for the next substitution reaction, that is action of silver carboxylate. Now what is this compound? See, first we have carboxylic acid. What is carboxylic acid formula? RCOOH, which can be written as RCOOH. Same thing. Carboxylic acid can be written as what? RCOOH, or it can be also written as RC double bond OH, and then from this H can be replaced. So here we get R, C double bond O, and H can be replaced by silver. See here, R, C double bond O, and H can be replaced by silver. So this compound is called as silver this compound is called as the silver carboxylate. Silver Ag matlab silver, and this much part is called as a carboxylate. RCOOH is called as a carboxylic acid. But when H is replaced by Ag, then this remaining group is only called as what? Carboxylate. So COOH is a carboxylate. Now in this structure, RC double bond O, this much part has a negative charge and AG has a positive charge. So this part will act as a nucleophile. So RCOOAG, correct? See here written RCOOAG, correct? So from this only RCOO, this part will minus charge, so it will act as a nucleophile and Ag plus positive. So now we'll start with the reaction. I'll just write down reaction here. Rx is alkyl halide. Rx is alkyl halide plus we are allowed to react with R, C double bond O, O, Ag, and on heating. Only thing is what, just यहाँ पे भी R आ रहा है और यहाँ पे भी R आ रहा है, दोनों R में कंफ्यूज नहीं होना चाहिए, इसलिए मैं यहाँ पे सिंबल लिख रहा हूँ R डैश. This R is also alkyl, this R is also alkyl, लेकिन अल्काइल हैलाइड का कौन सा है और एसिड कार्बोक्सिलेट का कौन सा है, समझने के लिए यहाँ पे दिख रहा हूँ, यहाँ पे ओनली R है, so only R is from alkyl halide and R dash is from carboxylate. यहाँ पे dash लिखा, correct? Now here we know that this much part has got till here, it is negative, Ag is positive, so this will act as a nucleophile और हमारा nucleophile replace करता है, correct? So when I write down the products, I'll write the product. मैं पहले इसको लिखूंगा, nucleophile को पहले यहाँ पे लिख रहा हूँ, R dash C double bond O, O, R dash C double bond O, और इन nucleophile किसे रिप्लेस करेगा, X को, मतलब यहाँ से X निकल जाएगा और X के जगह ये पूरा पार्ट आ जाएगा, तो इसका मतलब खाली यहाँ पे क्या बचेगा, R, तो ये R में यहाँ पे लिखा OR, यहाँ पे साथ में भी लिख सकते हो OR, ऐसे लिख सकते हो. तो देखो हमें X को रिप्लेस करना है, X को कौन रिप्लेस करेगा, R डैश C O रिप्लेस करेगा, तो X निकल गया, X के जगह ये सारा पार्ट आ गया और उसके आगे R आ गया. देखो ये R मैंने खाली यहाँ पे इधर, so R डैश C O था और ये R यहाँ पे आ गया, and this part, this type of the organic compound are called as the ester. देखो this type of organic compound are called as a ester, and what is the formula for ester, R dash C double bond O, OR plus what is remaining here, Ag. What we have removed from here, X, so you will get over here as AgX. This is the formula for which type of organic compound, ester, correct? I'll take example now. Suppose for example I have the formula C2H5Br. C2H5Br is called as ethyl bromide plus, अब यहाँ पे भी R है, लेकिन ये R मैं लिखूंगा CH3COOH. This is called as silver acetate. सिल्वर एसिटेट, एसिटेट क्यों आ गया देखो, मतलब यहाँ पे CH3COOH can be also written as what, CH3 C double bond O OH. This is called as acetic acid. Same way, CH3COOH can be written as what, CH3 C double bond OH, acetic acid, and from acetic acid CH3, C double bond O, and this H will be replaced by Ag. Okay, so your name becomes what? Silver. इसका नाम पहले silver, and this part which is remaining here is called as acetate. See, Ag will have a charge of plus, this much part will have a charge of minus. So CH3COO minus is called as a acetate. So name of the compound is what? Silver acetate. हर बार यहाँ पे चार्जेस लिखने की जरूरत नहीं है, आप डायरेक्टली लिख सकते हो CH3COOAG, सिल्वर एसिटेट. करेक्ट, इसलिए मैंने यहाँ पे नाम लिखा है सिल्वर एसिटेट, विच इज ऑन हीटिंग. अभी मैं हीट करूंगा यहाँ पे, तो अभी क्या होगा, ये पूरा पार्ट यहाँ से मैं एज इट इज लिख रहा हूँ. क्या आएगा देखो यहाँ पे CH3CO and then Ag combined with the Br. Ag combined with the Br क्या मिलेगा? AgBr. और यहाँ पे Ag की जगह और ये पार्ट इसको अटैच करेगा, इथाइल को अटैच करेगा, and then I will have here C2H5 plus AgBr. See here, what is the formula we got? CH3 C double bond O OC2H5 plus AgBr, and this compound यहाँ देखो एस्टर में जो भी ग्रुप लास्ट में रहेगा उसका नाम पहले लिखना है. ये कौन सा ग्रुप है? इथाइल. I'll write down ethyl. Correct. What is remaining? CH3COO, and we know here CH3COO is called as acetate. So name of the compound becomes what? Ethyl acetate. The name of the compound is ethyl acetate. C2H5 is called as a ethyl. CH3 C double bond O is called as a acetate, ethyl acetate. Correct. यहाँ पे मैं अभी एक की प्रिपरेशन कर रहा हूँ, चाहे तो और एक एग्जांपल अगर लेना है तो देखते. देखो मैं यहाँ पे लिखा CH3Br, मिथाइल ब्रोमाइड. करेक्ट, मिथाइल ब्रोमाइड. I will take the same reagent CH3COOAG. यहाँ पे O है, this is double bond है यहाँ पे, this is called as a silver acetate, and then again thing here on heating, ये पूरा पार्ट में as it is लिखूंगा. Okay, and then Ag combined with the Br, तो क्या आ जाएगा? AgBr, and this part will get attached to this CH3. तो ये CH3 यहाँ पे लास्ट में आ रहा है, CH3 plus AgBr, and this compound. लेकिन यहाँ पे जो ग्रुप है उसका नाम पहले लिखना है, ऐसा डाइमिथाइल नहीं लिख सकते हो. यहाँ पे जो भी ग्रुप लास्ट में उसका नाम पहले लिखो. ये कौन सा ग्रुप है? मिथाइल. So I'll just write down मिथाइल and CH3COO. CH3COO are called as acetate, methyl acetate. So you should know that CH3COO, this part is called as acetate, or this type of the organic compound are called as ester. This type of the organic compound मतलब जिनके लेफ्ट साइड में भी एक R है, राइट साइड में भी एक R है, और बीच में कौन सा ग्रुप आ रहा है? COO ग्रुप आ रहा है. दिस टाइप ऑफ द ऑर्गेनिक कंपाउंड आर कॉल्ड एज एस्टर. देखो यहाँ पे अल्काइल ग्रुप है, यहाँ पे अल्काइल ग्रुप है, बीच में COO आ रहा है, एस्टर. सिमिलरली यहाँ पे देखो, इधर भी एक अल्काइल ग्रुप है, यहाँ पे भी अल्काइल ग्रुप है, और यहाँ पे COO है. सो दिस कैन बी कॉल्ड एज एस्टर, एंड ये उसका नाम. So generally this class of the organic compound are called as ester. Okay, so we are done with this reaction. Now I will go for the next one, that is D. action of alcoholic ammonia. Action of alcoholic ammonia. Alcoholic ammonia. Now, alcoholic ammonia means what? Alcoholic ammonia का मतलब हो रहा है ammonia is dissolved in alcohol. Alcoholic ammonia means what? Ammonia is dissolved in alcohol. मतलब अगर हम लोग सब्सटेंस को वाटर में डिसॉल्व करेंगे तो एक्वियस बोलेंगे, और अगर हम लोग अल्कोहल में डिसॉल्व करेंगे तो क्या बोलेंगे? अल्कोहलिक बोलेंगे. सो एक्शन ऑफ अल्कोहलिक अमोनिया, दैट इज अमोनिया इज डिसॉल्व्ड इन अल्कोहल. ओके, आई जस्ट राइट डाउन द रिएक्शन. देखो अमोनिया का फॉर्मूला क्या होता है? NH3. बट सेम NH3 I will write like this way, NH2 and one H I will write separate. See, ammonia, this is ammonia. NH3 is the formula of ammonia. Correct. Now ammonia NH3 can be written as एक H को अलग लिखा HNH2, और यहाँ पे HNH2 में देखो NH2 और H के बीच में वन सिंगल बॉन्ड है. वन सिंगल बॉन्ड मतलब दो इलेक्ट्रॉन. वन सिंगल बॉन्ड मतलब दो इलेक्ट्रॉन. तो अगर ये दोनों इलेक्ट्रॉन इसके पास चले जाएंगे, ये इलेक्ट्रॉन और ये इलेक्ट्रॉन, तो नेगेटिव चार्ज बनेगा और H के ऊपर आएगा पॉजिटिव चार्ज. तो जिसके ऊपर नेगेटिव चार्ज है उसे हम लोग क्या बोलते हैं? न्यूक्लियोफाइल. तो ये अटैक करेगा. करेक्ट. तो नाउ विल राइट रिएक्शन. RX is called as alkyl halide. We allow to react with ammonia. अमोनिया का फॉर्मूला NH3 भी लिख सकते हो, लेकिन मैं अपने कन्वीनियंस के लिए ऐसा लिखूंगा HNH, because then I know here H carries a charge of +1, NH2 carries a charge of -1. They nucleophile. Okay, and then here I'm using which ammonia? Alcoholic ammonia. I'm using here alcoholic ammonia, मतलब ammonia dissolved in. ALC भी लिख सकते हो और alcoholic ammonia. And then on heating, in the presence of some pressure, correct? What will happen here? This NH2 ये इधर जाके रिप्लेस करेगा X. So here we get RNH2 और यहाँ से क्या निकल गया? H. यहाँ पे क्या बचा? X. So what we get here? HX. And this type of the organic compound are called as amine. तो जिनके पास NH2 ग्रुप है, this type of the organic compound are called as amine. Okay, I'll take example. Suppose we take the ethyl C2H5 Br, ethyl bromide, allowed to react with ammonia. अभी अमोनिया NH3 भी लिख सकते हो या ये फॉर्म में भी लिख सकते हो, बट I'll just for timing I'll write this way, HNH2 ऐसे लिख सकते हो. All condition remains the same. This NH2 group will go and replace the Br. So what we get here? C2H5 NH2. C2H5 NH2. This is called as ethyl, and NH2 means it is called as a amine plus Br यहाँ से निकल जाएगा. Br will combine with H, and when Br combine with the H, we'll get here HBr. It is called as HBr. Ethyl amine plus it is called as HBr. और एक शायद एग्जांपल ले लो. Suppose I take methyl bromide, अमोनिया डायरेक्टली अमोनिया भी लिख सकते हो, NH3 लिख सकते हो, कंडीशन रिमेन्स द सेम. लेकिन अमोनिया यहाँ पे लिखो, लेकिन अमोनिया से यहाँ पे अटैचमेंट कौन करेगा? NH2 चलेगा, यहाँ पे चला जाएगा NH2 खाली. तो मतलब फॉर्मूला क्या आएगा? CH3 and here only which group will get attached? NH2. यहाँ पे एक H बचा और यहाँ पे Br है, and they will combine together to give you what? HBr. Combine together with HBr and CH3NH2. CH3NH2. CH3NH2 is called as a methyl amine. It is called as a methyl amine. So ये हमारा अमोनिया किस देखो, ammonia formula is NH3. NH3 can be written as what? NH2 और एक H अलग लिखा मैंने. ये दो बॉन्ड मतलब दो इलेक्ट्रॉन, दोनों इलेक्ट्रॉन N के पास चले जाएंगे तो ये बनेगा न्यूक्लियोफाइल और प्लस. अमोनिया ऐड करोगे, dissolved in alcohol, you are heating and you are under pressure, amines मिलेगा. अगर ऑर्गेनिक कंपाउंड में NH2 फॉर्मूला आ रहा है then they are called as amine. और फिर हमारा रिएक्शन इथाइल ब्रोमाइड रिएक्ट विथ अमोनिया. यहाँ पे HNH2 लिखो है, NH3 लिखो, दोनों में से कोई एक लिखो, लेकिन यहाँ पे ध्यान में रखना चाहिए कि यहाँ पे कौन सा ग्रुप आना चाहिए? NH2 ही आना चाहिए. अगर तुम यहाँ पे NH3 लिखा तो रॉन्ग हो जाएगा, because NH2 group is called as the amine, ethyl amine. CH3NH2 is what? Methyl amine. Okay, so we have done this substitution. We go for the next. E. Action of alcoholic KCN. Action of alcoholic KCN, and KCN is called as potassium cyanide. It is called as a potassium cyanide. Potassium cyanide, correct? Now in this potassium cyanide here, normally we write the structure in this way: KCN. And KCN is which compound? Ionic compound. KCN is ionic compound. मतलब यहाँ पे सिंगल बॉन्ड है, बट बॉन्ड कौन सा है? आयोनिक बॉन्ड है. तो आयोनिक में क्या होगा? K अपना इलेक्ट्रॉन इसको लूज करेगा, तो K विल बिकम प्लस. K देखो यहाँ पे सिंगल बॉन्ड है, मतलब दो इलेक्ट्रॉन है, तो K अपना इलेक्ट्रॉन Cn को देगा, तो यहाँ पे Cn उसका खुद का इलेक्ट्रॉन आ जाएगा, प्लस K का भी एक इलेक्ट्रॉन आ जाएगा, और एक इलेक्ट्रॉन एक्स्ट्रा आ गया तो इसलिए उसका चार्ज कौन सा रहेगा? माइनस. साइनाइड माइनस, करेक्ट. So this is called as a K plus. K plus is called as a potassium. Cn minus is called as a cyanide. So K is a plus, Cn minus is called as a cyanide. अभी साइनाइड के बारे में देखो, मैं साइनाइड के बारे में स्टडी करता हूँ. साइनाइड का मतलब C, और यहाँ पे साइनाइड मतलब इनके बीच में ट्रिपल बॉन्ड होता है, N, ट्रिपल बॉन्ड N. और यहाँ पे नाइट्रोजन के ऊपर एक लोन पेयर होता है, एक्स्ट्रा लोन पेयर होता है, और यहाँ का ये पेयर, करेक्ट. सेम स्ट्रक्चर CN, तो ये C और N के बीच में ट्रिपल बॉन्ड लिखा, ये पेयर यहाँ का लिखा, और नाइट्रोजन के ऊपर हमेशा एक लोन पेयर होता है, लोन पेयर है. तो यहाँ पे क्या नोटिस करोगे? कार्बन के ऊपर भी एक पेयर है और यहाँ पे भी एक पेयर है, करेक्ट. कार्बन के ऊपर भी यहाँ पे, और इधर चार्ज, इसके ऊपर चार्ज मैंने ऑलरेडी कहा, इसका चार्ज कौन सा है? माइनस चार्ज. कार्बन ऑल्सो हैज गॉट वन पेयर एक्स्ट्रा, नाइट्रोजन ऑल्सो हैज गॉट वन पेयर एक्स्ट्रा, इनके ऊपर एक्स्ट्रा है, करेक्ट. साइनाइड, दिस ग्रुप इज कॉल्ड एज अ साइनाइड. Okay, cyanide. Now I'll write down the reaction. So if we have Rx means alkyl halide, allowed to react with KCN. Allowed to react with KCN. The KCN is going to be in which medium? Alcoholic medium, the dissolved in alcohol, and on heating. Alkyl halide, we are allowing it to react with the KCN. KCN means what? Potassium cyanide in alcoholic medium. Alcoholic medium short form में क्या लिख सकते हो? ALC, मतलब dissolved in alcohol and on heating. And we know that K has a charge of plus and cyanide, CN, has a charge of minus. So cyanide group will act as a nucleophile. इस cyanide group जो यहाँ पे है, cyanide group will act as nucleophile. करेक्ट. लेकिन साइनाइड में देखो क्या हो रहा है, कार्बन के ऊपर भी एक पेयर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन है, नाइट्रोजन के ऊपर भी एक पेयर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन है. लेकिन अगर कार्बन का पेयर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन यहाँ पे चला जाएगा तो यहाँ पे क्या मिलेगा? RCN. RCN, कार्बन का लोन पेयर यहाँ पे अटैच हुआ, एंड प्लस व्हाट वी गेट हियर, व्हाट इज रिमेनिंग हियर? K. What is removed from here? X. What will get over here? KX. And RCN is called as alkyl cyanide. RCN is called as a alkyl cyanide. Okay, alkyl cyanide. Now we'll take the reaction. Suppose we'll take ethyl. Why I'm using every time ethyl? Because most of the time in the exam they ask the reactions with ethyl. और यहाँ पे मैंने ब्रोमाइड लिखा है, लेकिन इट कैन बी अ क्लोराइड और इट कैन बी आयोडाइड. मतलब ऐसा कंपल्सरी नहीं कि यहाँ पे हमेशा ब्रोमाइड ही होना चाहिए, लेकिन मैं सब रिएक्शन इजी लगनी चाहिए इसलिए यहाँ पे बार बार ब्रोमाइड ले रहा हूँ. बट आइदर इट कैन बी अ क्लोराइड और इट कैन बी आयोडाइड. ओके, प्लस KCN on heating in alcoholic medium. In alcoholic medium, correct. Now in this reaction, ये जो साइनाइड ग्रुप है यहाँ पे अटैचमेंट करेगा, तो व्हाट विल गेट हियर? C2H5 CN, and C2H5 CN is called as ethyl. CN is called as a cyanide. Plus what is remaining here? K, and what is remaining here? Br. So we get here KBr. KBr, ethyl cyanide. Okay. और एक एग्जांपल चाहिए तो just like methyl bromide allowed to react with KCN and on heating. साइनाइड ग्रुप यहाँ पे कार्बन से अटैचमेंट करेगा, कार्बन से अटैचमेंट करेगा, तो व्हाट वी गेट? CH3CN, and CH3CN is called as a methyl cyanide. Plus K and B are combined together to gives you what? KBr. To gives you KBr. करेक्ट. तो यहाँ पे देखो ये जो साइनाइड मैंने लिखा है CN लिखा है, CN को आप ऐसे भी लिख सकते हो, C triple bond N. CN can be written as what? C triple bond N. And I'll just show the same reaction. So it can be written this way: CH3Br combined with KC triple bond N. So लिख सकते हो, मतलब I'm just writing on. Okay, and then पूरा साइनाइड ग्रुप यहाँ पे चला जाएगा Br के पास. So what we get here? CH3 C triple bond N. ऐसे लिख सकते हैं, मतलब either you can write down as what? CH3CN, or you can write down as what? CH3C triple bond N plus KBr. It is called as a methyl cyanide or plus KBr. Okay. Now in this only the next reaction. So वहाँ पे क्या था हमारा? Alkyl halide we allowed to react with potassium cyanide. But in the cyanide, carbon has a pair of electron, nitrogen has a pair of electron, but we are showing the attachment through carbon pair of electron, and so we get the type of the compounder called as what? Alkyl cyanide. So ethyl bromide with KCN gives you ethyl cyanide. Okay, methyl bromide with KCN gives you what? Methyl cyanide. Cyanide can be written as a CN, or it can be written as what? C triple bond N. Okay, next we will have the next one, CEF, action of alcoholic AgCN. AgCN is called as silver cyanide. AgCN is called as a silver cyanide. Action of alcoholic AgCN. AgCN is called as the silver cyanide. Okay, so now what is silver cyanide? See here. Again, cyanide, same thing. मतलब जहाँ पे पोटेशियम साइनाइड था, यहाँ पे सिल्वर साइनाइड. तो डिफरेंस क्या होगा देखो. Rx means alkyl halide. Rx, alkyl halide. We allow them to react with AgCN. AgCN. Which type of the AgCN we are using? Alcoholic, मतलब AgCN dissolved in alcohol. AgCN dissolved in alcohol. On heating, AgCN dissolved in alcohol, so alcoholic and heating. लेकिन अभी यहाँ पे क्या होगा देखो, साइनाइड, यहाँ पे भी साइनाइड ग्रुप है, मतलब Ag will have a charge of plus, cyanide will have a charge of minus, but we have seen in cyanide a pair of electron on the carbon and there is a pair of electron on the nitrogen. But in case of potassium cyanide, attachment is done through carbon, but now the attachment will be done through nitrogen. मतलब यहाँ पे कार्बन अटैच करा था तो RCN आ गया, C2H5 CN आ गया, CH3 CN आ गया. लेकिन यहाँ पे जब आप अटैचमेंट करोगे तो यहाँ पे अटैचमेंट कौन करेगा? नाइट्रोजन करेगा. तो हियर योर फॉर्मूला बिकम्स व्हाट? R डैश और N से अटैचमेंट होगा तो N एंड देन C. अटैचमेंट मतलब N से हो रहा है तो NC, RNC प्लस, मतलब दिस साइनाइड ग्रुप यहाँ पे चला जाएगा लेकिन अटैचमेंट कौन करेगा? यहाँ पे R के साथ N करेगा. तो RNC, what is remaining here? Ag, and what is remaining here? X. So we get combined to give what? AgX. And RNC, that R is called as alkyl and NC is called as isocyanide. See here, अगर मैंने CN लिखा तो only cyanide, लेकिन अगर आप NC लिखते हो तो it is called as isocyanide. Same compound can be also written as RN. जैसे यहाँ पे C और N के बीच में ट्रिपल बॉन्ड है, यहाँ पे भी हम N और C के बीच में ट्रिपल बॉन्ड लिख सकते हैं. तो RNC लिखो या RN ट्रिपल बॉन्ड C लिखो, they can be called as what? Alkyl isocyanide. They can be called as alkyl isocyanide. Okay, I'll take example for it. So if I'll take ethyl bromide, allowed to react with silver cyanide. Silver cyanide, AgCN. Silver cyanide is alcoholic, dissolved in alcohol on heating. But when we use the silver cyanide, attachment, yeah, this group will go, but attachment will be done with the nitrogen. So nitrogen यहाँ पे attach करेगा carbon को, and what will get here? C2H5 NC. So it is called as ethyl isocyanide plus AgBr. Ethyl isocyanide plus AgBr. I'll take one more example. CH3Br will react with AgCN on heating. In which medium? Alcoholic medium. This cyanide will attach here, but through which atom? Nitrogen. So CH3N, NC भी लिख सकते हो, और CH3N triple bond C भी लिख सकते हो, and this compound is called as methyl. और अगर नाइट्रोजन पहले आए तो क्या लिखना है आपको? Isocyanide plus Ag with Br will gives you AgBr. देखो यहाँ पे ध्यान में रखना है तुम्हें कि अगर आप पोटेशियम साइनाइड ऐड करते हो तो हमें मिलेगा इथाइल साइनाइड, लेकिन अगर मैंने यहाँ पे सिल्वर साइनाइड अगर ऐड करूंगा, सिल्वर साइनाइड, तो मुझे क्या मिलेगा, अल्काइल आइसोसाइनाइड. So potassium cyanide gives the compound of cyanide, alkyl cyanide, and here when attachment is done through nitrogen, then it is called as alkyl isocyanide. Correct? तो ये दोनों में डिफरेंस है. Attachment, cyanide group can attach to carbon, cyanide group can attach to nitrogen. अगर कार्बन से अटैचमेंट होगा तो मिलेगा साइनाइड, और नाइट्रोजन साइड से अगर अटैचमेंट हो गया तो क्या मिलेगा हमें, आइसोसाइनाइड. ओके, सो वी हैव done till F. Okay, so we have done till F substitution reaction. The remaining part of it we will do in the next lecture. लेकिन यहाँ पे एक बार देखो कौन कौन से substitution reaction हम लोगों ने किए हैं. पहले सबसे पहले वाले रिएक्शन में अल्काइल हैलाइड में क्या ऐड किया था हम लोगों ने, NaOH और KOH. अल्काइल हैलाइड में क्या ऐड किया था, मोइस सिल्वर ऑक्साइड AgOH. तो ये दो हो गए. Then सेकेंड, अल्काइल हैलाइड में हम लोगों ने ऐड किया था सोडियम अल्कोक्साइड, ये सेकेंड था. बाद में अल्काइल हैलाइड में हम लोगों ने क्या ऐड किया था, सिल्वर कार्बोक्सिलेट. ओके, बाद में अल्काइल हैलाइड में हम लोगों ने क्या ऐड कर दिया था, अमोनिया. और लास्ट अल्काइल हैलाइड में ऐड किया था KCN, और यहाँ पे अल्काइल हैलाइड के अंदर ऐड किया था AgCN. Okay, so we have done this substitution reaction. Two more substitution reactions are there, but that we'll see in the next lectures. Okay, so we'll stop it over here. We'll continue next time. Thank you.